Good morning, students. This lesson is for class 3 for the subject of mathematics, topic division with remainder, which is covered in chapter 5, division of your textbook titled Essential Mathematics and is being submitted to you on 26th of July 2021. Dear students, I hope through our previous topic, you must have learned how to divide 2, 3 and 4-digit numbers without a remainder. This week, we are going to learn the division of 2, 3 and 4-digit numbers with remainder. Let us start with dividing 2-digit numbers with remainder. Example number 1, 89 divided by 7. That means here 89 is the dividend and 7 is the divisor. As we already know that in a 2-digit number, the highest place is tens. So, first of all, solving the digit at the tens place, that is 8. 7 ones are 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. Putting the ones place down, which is 9, and the number has become 19. Now, seeing where 19 comes in the table of 7, 19 doesn't comes, so we will look for a slightly smaller number than 19. 7 twos are 14 and 9 minus 4 is 5. So here the remainder is the digit 5 and the quotient is 12. Moving on to example number 2, which is 27 is the dividend and 6 is the divisor. So putting the dividend in the box and look for 27 in the table of 6. It is 6 fours are 24. We cannot have 6 fives are 30 here because 30 is a bigger number than 27. So 27 minus 24 is 3. The quotient is 4 and the remainder is 3. Students, through these examples, you must have observed that we are ending up the question with a digit which is smaller than the number we are dividing with. That is the divisor. So this leftover digit is called remainder. Remainder is always smaller than the divisor. That means if we are getting a number smaller than the divisor and we do not have any digit to bring down from the dividend, that number is the remainder of our question. So now let us proceed to division of 3-digit numbers. Here the 3-digit number, the dividend is 634 and the divisor is 4. So following the same method, first of all, we have to look for the hundreds place in the question, which is 6. So look for 6 in the table of 4. It doesn't comes. So take a slightly smaller number, that is 4 ones are 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Putting 3 down, now the digit is 23. So look for 23. 4 fives are 20. 3 minus 0 is 3. Putting 4 down, 4 eights are 32. So the quotient comes out to be 158 and the remainder is 2. Now look for another example, which is example number 2, and here the dividend is 863 and the divisor is 7. So first of all, solving the digit 8, 7 ones are 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. Putting 6 down, 16. 7 twos are 14. 6 minus 4 is 2. Putting 3 down, 23. 7 threes are 21. So no more number to put down. So 2 is the remainder for this question and the quotient is 123. So children, this is the long division method of dividing 2 and 3-digit numbers where we are getting remainder at the last. So now before moving further in our topic, let us practice few division questions first. Get ready with your notebooks and solve the given questions. You may pause the lesson here for 3 minutes. Your first question is 247 is to be divided by 2. The B part, 490 is to be divided by 3. The C part, 87 is to be divided by 9. And in the D part, 75 is to be divided by 8. So now break time is over for you. Let us first check our answers. In the A part, we have done the division of 247 by 2, and by solving the division, the quotient we have got is 123 and the remainder is 1. In the B part, the quotient is 163 and the remainder is 1. While solving 87 divided by 9, the quotient comes out to be 9 and the remainder is 6. And for the D part, where 75 is the dividend and 8 is the divisor, the quotient is 9 and the remainder is 3. So students, let us now solve some 4-digit division questions with remainder. And example number 1 is 3298 is to be divided by 3. So we will be following the same method as we have followed in 2-digit and 3-digit division. Coming on to 4 digits now, the highest place is the thousands place, which is 3 here. So 3 ones are 3. Putting the hundreds place down, again you know that 2 is smaller than the divisor. So we will take it as 3 zeros are 0. So 2 minus 0 is 2. Putting 9 down, 29. 3 nines are 27. 9 minus 7 is 2. Putting 8 down, again 3 nines are 27. So in this question, the quotient is 1099 and the remainder is 1. Now example 2. 7231 is to be divided by 5. So while solving the thousands place first, 5 ones are 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. Putting 2 down, 22. 5 fours are 20. 2 minus 0 is 2, 23. 5 fours are 20. Then again 3 minus 0 is 3. Putting the ones place down, which is making the number as 31. We will look for 31 in the table of 5. 5 6 are 30 and the remainder is 1. So here the quotient is 1446 and the remainder is 1. Example 3. 6651 is to be divided by 7. Now students, as we see here, 6 at the thousands place and 7 is the divisor. So 6 is smaller than 7. So what we'll be doing? We'll be combining the thousands and hundreds place. And the combined number is 66. So solve now for 66. 7 nines are 63. 6 minus 3 is 3. Putting the tens place down, 35. 7 fives are 35. Putting 1 down now. As we are having only one number here, so it would be 7 zeros are 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1. So here the quotient is 950 and the remainder is 1. Let us solve one more example. 9124 is to be divided by 6. Again the same method is to be followed. 6 ones are 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. Putting 1 down, the number is now 31. 6 fives are 30. 1 minus 0 is 1. Putting 2 down, 6 twos are is 12. Now the turn of bringing the ones place down, which is 4 here. And 4 is smaller than 6. So we will go for 6 zeros are 0. So 4 minus 0 is 4. So as per this example, the quotient is 1520 and the remainder is 4. So children, here I am concluding the topic. I hope you might have got the understanding of the concepts being taught today. So kindly do the given home assignment questions in your notebook. Exercise 5.5, you need to do the parts C, F, I, N and S. Exercise 5.6. Please attempt B, G, L, M and Q. And lastly, from exercise 5.7, do the parts B, E, G, N and Q. Thank you, students.